Central Daylight Time. A strong thunderstorm is located near Cass Bay, or 9 nautical miles northwest of Galveston Bay, moving southeast at 10 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Smith Point, Black Duck Bay, Galveston Bay, Cass Bay, Eagle Point, Upper San Jacinto Bay, Western East Galveston Bay, and Southwestern Trinity Bay. This warning also includes the following channel lights: Houston Ship Channel Light 45, Baytown Marina Channel Light 17, Houston Ship Channel Light 55, Bayport Ship Channel Light 5, Dickinson Bayou Channel Buoy 17, Houston Ship Channel Light 88, Houston Ship Channel Light 99, Houston Ship Channel Light 93, 5 Mile Cut Buoy 2, and Houston Ship Channel Light 107. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.